So there's a program called Simon Says that just announced that they're going to be compatible with Davinci Resolve going forward. That is awesome because it gives us an AI-assisted way to transcribe our videos or make captions for them. That is going to save a lot of time for those of us that do that for our YouTube videos. So we're going to be talking about that today, as well as I have an announcement to make. This month, the entire month of November 2020, I'm going to be doing my absolute best to release a video every single day. I'm doing this in order to serve kind of as a personal challenge, as well as to make more content for you guys. I would love to be able to make specific videos in order to cover the topics that you want to see. So let me know in the comments down below, and we'll get started talking about Simon Says. We're going to start this video right on Simon Says' website, simonsays.ai. I already have an account, but if you're new, you're going to go ahead and click sign up free. Then when you sign up with these guys, you get a 15-minute credit, which means that they will transcribe 15 minutes of video for you for free. Other than that, it actually seems pretty cheap. The plan that I chose is $15 per hour of completed footage. And that $15 per hour actually comes out to be quite a bit cheaper than most of the other services that I've looked for this, which generally go about $1 a minute, which can get kind of pricey if you're doing a lot of videos. So I'm going to go ahead and log in, but you're going to want to go through the sign up process, and I will show you how to use this tool. So once you're on this page, all you need to do to get your video transcribed is go ahead and click on New Project, and then drag your file in here. I'm going to be using my Demonize tutorial so that I can get that transcribed and have subtitles for that. So we'll go ahead and grab our file here, and we'll just drop it right into the UI on the website. It will load the thing in, and then once that's done, we'll be able to actually start transcribing. So once this is done loading, I'll be back. Now that it's done transcribing, we get this pop-up window, and while we're here, we're going to go ahead and choose the project's original language, which is English in this case. And if you want to create a custom dictionary, like if you have words that you say in your videos that aren't necessarily real words, you can actually add those with custom dictionaries. So that's pretty cool. I'll put in all my card information down here, and then once I've done that, I'm going to click Let's Do This, and it will actually do the transcribing. And now we're here. We'll wait for it to transcribe, and then we'll check out the transcription that it gives us. We're going to check this out against the video that it was transcribing, and we're going to just make edits where edits are necessary. I'm not going to be too ridiculously careful with this because, I mean, overall, it's better than what I have there now. But right there, you can see that it splits the word Davinci into 2 words, things like that. So make sure that you give it some attention, watch through it, read through it, whatever you want to do. Make sure you check it just to make sure that nothing is super wrong. Now that I've given it a brief run through, I've taken care of a couple of errors that it made. I'm going to go ahead and click on this big export button up here, and by default it's going to be set to go to Microsoft Word, but we're going to go to CC, or if you want to bring this directly into Davinci, go ahead and click on Other, and then choose Davinci from this drop-down list. But we're going to be bringing these directly into YouTube, so I'm going to click on this CC, closed caption thing right here, and then I'm going to choose YouTube, and then I'm going to press Let's Do This. And then it will export these, and it's going to be a text file, so it should export very quickly. And now that you have your transcribed text file, go ahead and navigate to the video details page of the video that you've made it for, and then go into subtitles on the left side here. And then as we can see, I already have some subtitles for this video. So the subtitles that I have on this video already were made by YouTube's automated generator, and that is generally, I have found, not as precise as some of these paid for services. So this little menu button right here next to where it says assign timings, we're going to click on that, and then we're going to go to upload file. We're going to upload that file that we just exported from Simon Says, and we will have our subtitles on our video. So I just found my subtitles that I made with Simon Says, and I uploaded them into YouTube's subtitle tool here. And we have all of our timings preset and all of those subtitles that it just took care of for me. And now that these are in here, all I have to do is press publish. Now we have new subtitles on our YouTube video, and we almost got away with not typing anything. Hopefully that's helpful for you and speeds up your video making process. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content from me, and I will see you tomorrow because it will still be November.